had your exposure. Next time I see you, I can't hold my composure. Missing you smiling.
Hello, good morning. It is, what date is today? I think it's Tuesday, 19th. 20. It's 20th of August, and it's 8 o'clock, 8:15. And hindi ako nag-vlog siguro mga couple of days ago. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi, or technically hindi ako nag-vlog kasi ang init. And nakakatamad pag ganun kainit. Parang gusto ko, ayaw mo gumalaw. Ngayon, at least kagabi, medyo naging okay yung weather. Kaya medyo, ayan, sinipag ulit tayo. It is. And then now, cook tayo ng tinola. So, mag-cook tayo ng tinola and then fried chicken. So, yung fried chicken ko, or yung fried chicken namin, simple lang yun. Asin lang yun, tsaka MSG, actually. And then, yung tinola natin, simple lang din. So, I'll just cook today. Say hi pala to them. Hi. Say hi. Hi. And then, first time niya pala magkakaroon ng, nakuha na namin yung PE uniform niya. So, later, I'll show you yung PE niya. So, anyway, mag-start na tayo mag-cook. And just stay there. Right? Ito yung chicken na lalagyan natin ng MSG tsaka ng salt. So, kailangan ma-marinate muna natin siya sa sa salt and MSG bago natin siya ma-deep fry. So, let's start. Oh. Look at your hair. Okay,
my hair is so soft.
Imamassage natin yung
Chicken.
salt on top. I know you'll think na parang it's so salty. Pero mawawala din kasi yan eh, pag later. So, tsaka yung MSG, konti lang naman. So, don't worry about it. Importante.
Mom, you can touch it. There's germs in it.
No, I can. I can touch it. I'll just wash later. But you can't.
Why? Why can't I touch it?
Because
there's germs.
You're not gonna cook anyway. I will cook. So, it's okay. Yung mga inner, yung mga sides, yung mga singit-singit, lagyan natin yun ng salt. So, that is my secret fried chicken. And yan ang bet na bet ni Maxine. Just plain and simple. And even Mavi likes it so much. Pero masarap lang siya. To be fair, mas masarap lang siya pag bagong prito, syempre. I think lahat naman ng chicken, di ba? Mas masarap pag bagong prito and crispy. So, pag ganyan, ayan. So, marinated na siya. Let it sit for a couple of minutes habang piniprepare ko naman yung tinola. Ganito.
Mom, you're crying.
Not yet.
Mom, is that making me cry?
Not yet. Pwede naman malalaki yung hiwa sa sibuyas. That is the sibuyas, the bawang, and everything. Luya. I forgot to wash it.
What's Daddy doing?
Going to leave.
I want fries.
You want fries? We're going to eat tinola. You want fries?
Of course.
Ask Daddy.
No.
Fries da.
No.
Say,
Jollibee. Jollibee is better. No. Kung ma-Jollibee ka man sana, magpakuklot ka na. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys that this is our own papaya. This is from our tanim. O, di ba bongga? Yung malunggay nga lang hindi. Kasi namatay yung malunggay ko. After kuhanan, namatay. Bakit kaya ganun? Kinuhanan ko siya like several times. And then namatay siya. Sad. Do you eat tinola, baby? This is chicken with sabaw. Do you like this? What are you gonna eat? The fried?
Chicken. Yeah.
That I will cook.
Yeah. But not with that one. Not with sinigang.
That's not sinigang. Tinola.
I make some onions.
I need to show you something, Mommy said. You'll put, ano muna, colors. Okay, look at Mommy's drawing. Look, show it to them. That's Mommy's drawing. Lips. Good job. Okay. So, ayan, nagagayat na tayo nung ating malunggay na kailangan natin for tinola. Kasi medyo matrabaho yan. Tapos, hiwain natin yung papaya. And then, mag-start na tayong mag-saute. So, una syempre yung bawang, luya, sibuyas. Make sure na hindi sila susunog. And then, we are going to add the chicken kasi medyo matagal yan na siya mag-cook as well as the papaya. So, ang ginagawa ko is once I saute the chicken, sinasangkot ko na din dyan yung papaya with patis, a little bit of MSG, and then later on mag-add tayo ng chicken cube para lang makadagdag ng lasa. And then, papakuluan mo lang siya, and then that's it. Ganon kadali. About the fried chicken, so since I marinated it with salt and a little bit of MSG, prinito ko lang siya. And then, I think I did second fry as well. Para mas crispy siya. And that's it. It's very quick. And after that, we eat na habang mainit pa yung sabaw. Okay, this is Mavi Bachuchai's PE uniform. Come over here, Baba. Do you like it, your PE? Wow, you're so schoolgirl now. 2, 3. No, not like that. Okay, thank you. Are you excited? For today's menu, we are going to
It's Wednesday.
cook.
Spaghetti.
No, we are going to cook giniling with tomato sauce
Yay.
and Shanghai. Okay?
Mom, they gotta cook.
Magsha-Shanghai tayo kasi remember, meron pa tayong tirang wrapper. So, sayang naman. Gamitin natin siya. Now, as for the ingredients of giniling, carrots yan, for sure. Carrots, patatas, bell pepper, sibuyas, bawang. So, just going to start chopping. And para sa Shanghai natin, i-grind natin yung carrots, sibuyas, bawang, celery. Supposed to be, meron din siyang dahon ng sibuyas. Pero, I think it's not available. So, gamitin lang natin yung available resources. Start cooking. Kasi medyo late na. And then mamaya maghahatid pa. So, let's start doing this. Sa giniling naman, I will just chop the carrot and the patatas into cubes. Mas maliliit lang ng slice para ma-incorporate ng ayos dun sa ating giniling. And then, dinagdagan ko din siya ng capsicum or bell pepper. And then, while I'm doing that, I'm also grinding the onion, the garlic, and the carrot for the spring rolls. So, yan, minimix-mix ko lang siya. Nag-add ako ng 2 eggs. And then, of course, may, paminta, a little bit of MSG. And then, yeah, we are just going to balot that into the lumpia wrapper. And then, isi-set aside natin kasi mamaya piprituhin natin yan. And as for the pork giniling, it's very easy. We are just going to saute onion, garlic, and then the ground pork. And then we are going to add the potatoes, the carrots. And then I added tomato paste and then tomato sauce. Para mas maging red siya, I added tomato paste. And then I also added oyster, if I'm not mistaken. And then last ko nang nilagay yung capsicum. I also added water. Pala and a little bit of sugar. Oh my God, may damit. Okay, hi guys. Happy Monday. So today is Monday, August 26th. Today is actually our wedding anniversary. So we are technically 2016, 8 years of being married. So anyway, matagal-tagal bago nag-vlog kasi walang boses. So, lahat kami nagkasakit. And, mukhang sa akin medyo nagstay. So, hoarse voice pa. So, today we're going to cook sopas. I already started cutting the ingredients. May carrots. Hindi pa tapos yung repolyo. Hihiwain pa yan. Then, yung celery. Yung macaroni, elbow mac, actually, pinalambot ko na. And then, chicken breast. So, sabi ni Mavi, I have to show you something. He wants to show this. So, this is her. This is her.
Telescope.
No. This is her envelope kasi nasira yung lagayan niya ng books. And then, meron siyang pencil case inside. She really wanted it. She bargained for it. So,
show them.
Look. Do you like it? Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay. So, let's start cooking. Now, we are going to make sopas. So, my commercial. Okay, so we are going to make sopas. I started slicing the celery. I already started with the carrot, and then mag-slice din tayo ng a little bit of repolyo, and of course our chicken breast that has been pre-cooked. Pinakuluan na natin yan. And then we are going to saute. Again, saute onion, garlic, and then carrot and celery. And then I added fish sauce para mas malasa siya. And what else? What did we do? We added a chicken, the elbow macaroni, which I already boiled na rin. And then, yung pinaglagaan ko kanina, chicken broth na pinagpakuluan ko din ng macaroni, ayan siya. Sama-sama na sila dyan. Last kong nilalagay yung repolyo para hindi siya masyadong lutong-luto. And then for final touch, we are going to add the evaporated milk. Just make sure na pag in-add nyo yung evaporated milk, you're going to turn off the fire as soon as possible kasi we don't want the milk to curdle. And then, ayan, nag-add ako ng boiled egg. Personally, mas masarap yung sopas ko pag may boiled egg siya. Enjoy nyo na yan, guys. Thank you very much for watching. And that would be for today's vlog. See you again on my next video. Again, this is Simply Jenny. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe. And if you're not new here, thank you again so much for always watching. And again, thank you and see you on my next vlog.